Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Roblox on your computer and you keep getting this error code 403 and error was encountered during authentication, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Roblox easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here app data, and then you're going to go into local, and here you need to find the folder called Roblox. So just click on any folder here and press R on your keyboard. Here it is. So now what you're going to do is you're going to hold the shift key on your keyboard and then click delete on here to permanently delete this Roblox folder. What this folder stores is your Roblox cache. So just delete this folder. And once you're done deleting that folder, you're going to open up your web browser. You're going to go on to roblox.com and you're going to log into your account and then download Roblox from here. And then you can start playing Roblox and you'll not get that authentication failed error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.